Winter's icy grip still clutches the countryside, but its beauty is undeniable. A northern storm traversed into our southern lands, raining ice onto unexpected trees and plants that normally enjoy a milder winter. Ice encapsulates branches, transforming trees into sparkling sculptures, whose essence is captured in a moment frozen in time. It's a scene of frosty majesty, a surreal landscape, as if someone livened from enchantment into reality. Icicles form as the rain freezes on its descent. Trees are suspended in a still moment of beauty. Despite the chill of winter, thoughts of spring enter my mind. The desire to plant is overwhelming, but the unforgiving cold outside will not permit new life to grow just yet. Escaping into the warmth of my home, I'll grow an indoor garden regardless of the lingering winter's chill. This winter is long, but my indoor garden tower has provided my family fresh herbs and leafy vegetables. However, it's time to start anew. Harvesting my bounty, I search the tower for the freshest greens, snipping their stems and gently placing them in my basket. Enjoying this garden for months, it provided my family with organic lettuces, Swiss chard, tomatoes, zucchini, and herbs such as chamomile, sage, and a delight of herbs. My bundle grows larger with a delicious variety as the fragrances of basil, thyme, and lemon balm float around me. Indoor gardening allows me to incorporate elements of slow living into my daily routine, as it connects me to the present moment through patience, mindfulness, and nurturing. Several of the plants that I removed are still thriving. I plant them in little pots to continue tending to them until they can be planted outdoors. The indoor garden provides an abundance of fresh food. The abundance is so great that I'm able to dry and store herbs and greens for use later in teas and cooking. I bundle my harvest in bits of string and hang them so the leaves can dry. The leaves wilt and then turn brittle, signaling they are ready to be stored or ground. For culinary herbs and larger leafy greens such as kale, I grind them into smaller flakes to use in my favorite garden recipes. The aromatic, lovely leaves from lemon balm or peppermint, or the flowers of chamomile, I store whole until I'm ready for a cup of tea. The whole process, from planting a seed to sipping tea made from homegrown herbs, is so satisfying and soothing. This particular garden is hydroponic, which means that the nutrients needed for the plants to grow are incorporated into the water. Special rings of light illuminate the herbs and vegetables with the right frequency of light they need to flourish. I carefully select my favorite varieties from packets of herb and vegetable seeds to plant in my indoor garden. Tucking each seed into a pod, my garden tower will provide the perfect home to coax the seedlings to emerge and flourish. The anticipation of the harvest is exhilarating. Yearning for spring, I set out to create a beaded bookmark to celebrate the honeybee, a champion of springtime. Weaving bead by tiny bead, I watch as the mosaic grows to reveal 2 honeybees busy working on their comb. Removing the piece from my little loom, I wind and weave in stray threads. The beaded bookmark is the perfect page holder for a favorite recipe book for garden vegetables.